Billie Bourdain here. All right, so we went to Ensenada this past weekend. We picked up some bluefin tuna. I'm about to cut it right here. This is toro. It's actually the center part, the belly of the bluefin tuna. So I'm gonna slice it up, get some nice slices. You gotta make sure you have a very sharp knife. I'm gonna add some soy sauce and some wasabi that my good friend Yamamoto brought me here to Mexico. So now we're just gonna mix that up. Let's try it, let's see how it tastes. Oh, it tastes very good, very buttery taste. This is actually my favorite part of the fish for sashimi. Add a little more soy sauce. And we're gonna plate it up. Put some soy sauce on it. Add some fresh ginger. There you go. Bluefin sashimi.